Hello, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about the principles of signing. There are four principles of signing. These are the principles that govern good signing. So the first one is the signing space. This is an imaginary square or rectangle that is created in our heads in order for us to sign well or to help those ones who are reading to understand what we are saying. This is because when we are signing and there is a deaf person who is trying to read from the signs, the deaf person will want to read our facial expression, our lip movement, and the signs. So we should always make signs in the signing space, which is an imaginary square or rectangle. The second principle is the position of the signer during signing. During signing, the signer and the receiver should always face each other. And this is because the receiver is able to watch the lip movement, see the facial expression, and also the signs at the same time. And the signer should not be more than 2 or 3 meters away from the receiver. And this will help them to be able to communicate well and also the signer to understand or get the feedback of the receiver. The third principle is use of body language. Just as in spoken language, sign language also uses body language. An appropriate body language should always accompany a sign. This is because when you are just signing without body language or facial expression, the receiver might not understand you. So if we are signing, for example, happy, and you're just like happy, then the receiver will not understand you really mean happy or happiness. So what you're supposed to do is happy, happy. So the facial expression, the body language, and the sign go together, not happy, happy. It is happy, happy. The fourth principle is hints to fluent signing. So in this one, we have two sections. There is expressive fingerspelling and receptive fingerspelling. Expressive is whereby you are the one who is signing, and receptive is whereby you are the one who is reading what another person is signing. So we will start with expressive. The first hint is you should always relax. You should always relax your body. You should always relax your mind. The second hint is you should always keep your hand steady. Your hand should always be steady. Another hint is let your palm slightly face the audience at a slight angle. So you're not supposed to put your hand this way, but this way for the audience to be able to read from the palm. Then always hold your hand in a comfortable manner, a natural, comfortable manner for you to be able to sign for a long time, because if it is like this, then your hand might get tired very fast. So hold it in a natural, comfortable manner. Then you should always hold the hand closely to the mouth so that the person who's reading will be able to lip read, see the facial expression, and also read from the hand in an easier way. You should not look at your hands when signing. A, B, C. This is wrong. So what you're supposed to do is A, B, C. Then you should stop, or you should not jerk your hand or move it every time you sign, because it will not be easy for the person who is reading to understand what you're saying. A, B, C. No, you should just relax and make your hand steady. Do not block your mouth with your hands when signing, because it is important for the person who's reading the signs to see your lip movement. Do not drop hands between words, because it might mean that you have paused and you're not continuing, or it might mean the end of that word. So you're not supposed to drop your hand between words. Another hint is establish and maintain rhythm. So if you're signing words, you're supposed to sign the letters continuous. If you're finger spelling a word, so if you are saying break, so what you're supposed to do is B, R, E, A, K, break, and not B, R, E, A, K. That one is not rhythmic. So what you're supposed to do is just establish a rhythm, then you have to maintain it for the person to understand well. The second part is hints for receptive finger spelling. This is whereby you are the one who is reading from a person who is signing. So, as always, relax. You're supposed to relax at all times. Then you should also avoid reading letters in isolation. If someone is finger spelling a whole word, then you're not supposed to read letters, but try to read the word. Try to get the first two letters and the last ones. This will help you to know the word, even if you have missed some of the letters in between. The last hint for receptive finger spelling is never tell the signer to sign slowly. Instead, tell the signer to repeat signing the same word again and again until you get the right one. It is better for the signer to repeat the sign several times using the same speed, other than going slower than before. Using these principles of signing will help you to understand and express yourself well using sign language. Thank you so much for watching this video till this place. Watch more videos on your screen and tap on the round button in order to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.